Alright, so in this video, we are going to do some square layers. Now, the very first thing I'm going to do here is establish the outline on both the right side and the left side. So you can see right here, I'm cutting in the length where the hair is going to sit just above his ear. Now, once I've established that outline, at that point, we can then cut in the layers. Alright, so the very first layer that I'm going to do is right above his ear, and then I'm going to take another section right in front of the ear, which I'm then going to over direct back to the previous section, which was my guide to the layer. That very first section that I cut right above my ear is the guide for the layering throughout the rest of the haircut. I'm going to do that on the left side as well. So from the right side to the center back, that first section is the guide on how short the rest of the layers will be. Now, I just did the right side, which is pretty much all the layering above the ear to in front of the ear. Now, as you can see, I am now behind the ear. So now it's time to do the layering on the back side of the right side of my model's head. Alright, so now that we've completed the layering on the right side, it's time to do the exact same thing here on the left side. You can see I'm taking a section right above the ear, and then I'm going to create that first guide that's going to be my guide for the rest of the layering throughout the rest of the left side. Alright, so now it is time to cut the desired outline that I want in the back. You can see I'm just combing the hair straight down, holding the hair with my comb, using my scissors to go ahead and establish that outline, that shape that I'm looking for. Now that we've done the layering on the sides and the back, it's time to layer the top. As you can see, I am taking sections, combing them straight up, and this very first section is going to be my guide for the rest of the layers throughout the top. Now, when I take my next section, I'm simply going to over-direct that section to the section I'm cutting now, which will of course be the previous section, because that previous section is going to be my guide for the next section. And I'm going to carry this method all the way forward from the crown up to the forehead. Alright my friends, and that is a square layered haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I want to thank each and every one of you so very much again for watching.